Why we need cloud when using a dashcam. Now we will tell you why we need the dashcam based on cloud. 1. Lack of dashcam storage. Computers, cameras, and phones with bigger hard drives, and therefore more space for storing data, are expensive. Cloud storage is a cheaper alternative to buying additional memory cards and/or external hard drive. Furthermore, it gives users much more than just extra space for less money. 2. Strengthen security of dashcam's data. Another vital upside of using cloud storage is the fact that users don't have to worry about security. All things related to safety are the service provider's responsibility. Thus, cloud storage saves us time, money, and energy on finding ways to preserve and protect our data. 3. Easy sharing and accessing the data in dashcam. As previously mentioned, user can access their data using any device, which won't only be useful in case a dashcam breaks. If, for example, someone has a dashcam with cloud storage, they can access the files using a computer or a mobile phone with just a couple of clicks. Everything is easily accessible using the internet. You could instantly upload or share your dashcam recording to the social media if you need to. Then, what is the cloud operation process? First, power on your dashcam. The powered-on dashcam saved various information during its recording: video, image, voice, GPS. Saved information is connected to 4G by dongle, module, or router. The 4G connected dashcam forwards the saved information to a cloud server. At the time, forwarded information is separately saved in the form of audio, image, video, GPS information in cloud server. The separated information has each permanence link, which is recombined for one data by checking links information during watching recordings, opening, or downloading videos which are based on user's preference. Recombined data is transferred to user's device via 4G connection again. Through various types of devices, users can check the data quickly, which is transferred by dashcam wherever you are. Now we'd like to introduce our specialties of withCLOUD. 1. When event occurred, track your location in real time by getting push alert. 2. When events occurred, withCLOUD uploads the before and after records: driving, collision, parking, unlock parking settings. 3. Sharing the YouTube style of contents at ease. Share with users. 4. Continuous capturing and uploading pictures by setting time. 5. Show statistics: distance of driving, period of driving, events, etc. 6. Subscription fee of using withCLOUD service for platform business. 7. Tracking your vehicle's location in real time using GPS tracking. 8. Management of dashcams and vehicles based on your accounts. Setting, managing dashcams. 9. Setting areas via geo-fence function and giving alert of entering and secession. Protection of assets. withCLOUD storage, together with the application on dashcam, will certainly help out and solve a lot of its shortcomings. This real-world cloud application is making our life easier and more connected than ever. Now let's drive safe with withCLOUD.